To activate your Wells Fargo credit card, start by visiting the Wells Fargo website or calling the phone number provided on the sticker attached to your new card. You will need to have your card information and personal details ready to verify your identity. Once you are on the website, click on the Activate Card option and enter your card number, expiration date, and security code. You will then be prompted to verify your identity by providing your name, address, and date of birth. Alternatively, you can activate your card by calling the phone number on the sticker and following the automated prompts. You will need to enter your card number and security code, and then verify your identity by answering a series of security questions. After activation, you can set up your online account by going to the Wells Fargo website and clicking on the Sign Up option. You will need to provide your card information and personal details to create a username and password. To use your Wells Fargo credit card, simply present it to the merchant or enter the card details online when making a purchase. You can also use your card at ATMs to withdraw cash or check your balance. It is essential to sign the back of your card and keep it in a safe place to prevent unauthorized use. You should also review your card agreement and understand the terms and conditions, including the interest rate, fees, and payment due date. To manage your account and make payments, you can use the Wells Fargo mobile app or log in to your online account. You can also set up automatic payments to ensure you never miss a payment. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily activate and start using your Wells Fargo credit card. Remember to always keep your card information and account details secure to prevent unauthorized use and protect your credit score.